One of the items that many warehouses are using is the bundle roll here. And the one I have here is in blue color. We'll make them in transparent color also, or black if you want it. And the width here is the standard 10, the core is 14, and the core dimension is the standard. It can fit into any hand roller here. This one we made with 23 micron, so it's strong enough for any uses. Now I'll test the roll. See here, very easy to use. It's come off very easy with a hand roller. Very strong, a lot of strength. And this one here is the white color, and the clear color. Also fit on the dispenser very easy. Come off very easy. And the stress very high. You see, it shred a lot. We have many experience in manufacturing this item, and you can trust us.